cry for hunger, for thirst, also cry for education. No financial strength, no finger to hold, but doorstep initiates. View through your eyes.
Now let's have a chat with Mrs. Beena Lashkari, the director of Doorstep School.
With one of my colleagues named Mrs. Rajni Paranjpe in 1988. The motivation was behind this organization was to start that a lot of children we found who are out of school and working and could not go to the school, which need to take them into the school, and we realize that if we will not teach these children at this level, they will remain out of the school forever. Initially it was very difficult because society, that concept of charity was into the social work rather than developmental attitudes. We feel that society with the NGOs can come up with a lot of things which is possible to do in this world and for a development and better society. So expectation as such, I want the society to work with us and to see to go how to.
Let's talk to Ms. Arnavas Karas.
We have programs which are specially catering to the needs of children of different age groups in the community, of different educational levels in the community. To give you an example, it's the Balwadi that we have for the very young, for the 3 to 5 year olds who would otherwise have not gone to any school and instead accompanied their parents to their place of work. In our case, most of the children were accompanying their parents to the Sassoon docks where they went for loading of boats and cleaning fish. By starting Balwadis, children instead attended the classes and didn't go with the parents to work. And because of this, they entered school at the right time instead of joining the ranks of child labor. We found it very, very difficult to reach out to children who lived on payments, scattered groups of children working with hawkers, begging at signals. And for them, the concept of a school on wheels was brought into practice. But as credibility of the organization grew, so did the offers to expand what we did with the children. And one such offer was to set up a computer center. Today the computer center that we have in the community reaches out to about 900 children in any given month, because children from our various community-based classes, right from Balwadi to the non-formal education class, actually come and spend 1 hour a week at this center.
आप कितने सालों से यहाँ पर सिखा रही हैं?
मतलब 2 स्टेट में मैं 14 साल से हूँ।
आप इन बच्चों को क्यों पढ़ाती हैं? मतलब आप दूसरी किसी बड़ी पाठशाला में भी पढ़ा सकते हैं, लेकिन ये बच्चों के लिए आप काम करना क्यों चाहती हैं?
पहली बात तो ये बच्चे जो ये बच्चे ऐसे वो बेसहारा की तरह है, इन्हें सहारा देने वाले बच्चे, क्योंकि ये पढ़ाई से वगैरह बहुत ही दूर है। तो वैसे बच्चों को अपने पास नजदीक और अपने पास जो बुद्धि है भगवान का दिया हुआ, वो अगर मैं इन बच्चों में बांटती हूँ तो मुझे।
Let's focus on some driving creativity of the children of Doorstep School. Doorstep organization is also educating illiterate children in every possible area.
आप बड़े होके क्या बनना चाहोगे?
मैं काजल बनना चाहती हूँ।
आप क्या बनना चाहोगे?
अक्षय कुमार।
अक्षय कुमार।
There are people for whom a mere scrap of paper is the beginning of education, so join hands to fulfill their needs. It is said that children are God's gift to man. Then why differentiate them in education? Make every child a part of it. So many hopes, so many wishes are fulfilled by Doorstep School. We feel proud for what Doorstep School does. You can follow their footsteps.